Hello students, this is Rupendra Soni, your VMAT mentor. In this video, we will solve exercise questions of paper folding and paper cutting. So start with question 1. It is given, in each of the following questions, a transparent sheet in figure X with a design and a dotted line on it is given. This sheet X is to be folded along the dotted line. Choose the correct figure from the four alternatives that is similar to the folded figure of the figure X. So what is given, that this is a figure and this figure will be folded along this dotted line like this. Okay, this will be folded. So if we will fold, then which kind of figure we will get, we have to find out. So if we will fold this is the bottom section, this is top section. Okay, this is bottom section, this is top section, and if we will fold, so we will get a figure. These two lines will be as it is and these two lines will be added like this. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option B. This will be the correct answer, option B. Now moving further to question number 3. Again, this we have to fold this figure along this vertical line. This is the vertical line, we have to fold it along it. Fold this figure along vertical line. So if I will fold, this is the vertical line. Okay, so these lines were earlier there, and if I will fold it, this paper, so I will get such kind of lines. Okay, these are not exact, but it can be imaginary and you can imagine it. So correct answer will be option A. Option A will be the correct answer. Okay, now if we will move to next question, that is question number 6. Same thing we have to do. We have to fold this figure along this vertical line. Okay, this is a vertical line, we have to fold this figure along vertical line. So you will get the figure, circle will be as it is, this much will be as it is, and this much will be like this. Okay, so and your paper will be half to the vertical. Correct answer will be option number D. Check this. This was as we have made. Okay, now moving further to next question, that is question number 8. Now again we have to fold. If I will fold it, I will get this kind of figure, this. Okay, this will be folded and it will come directly to this, lines will come and join here. Okay, it will be hidden, okay, so correct answer will be option D. Option D will be the correct answer. Okay, now moving further to next question, that is question number 10. Now a new type of questions came, in that there are three forms X, Y and Z of sheet of a paper. Figure X and Y respectively shows the two consecutive folds of the sheet, and the figure Z shows cut of the folded sheet. Choose the figure from the four options A, B, C, D and A, B, C and D that is unfolded from the sheet. Now what we have to do, first we have to fold. This is first fold, this is second fold. Then after folding it, we will get a figure like fold 1/4 like this. 1/4 will be this, and in that we have to cut the paper, and after cutting it we have to open. So first will be opened here, this figure will be opened here. Okay, so it will become same replica, same mirror image of this will be here. Okay, and again we have to open horizontally, so this figure will be coming here and the same replica will be made here. So let I make it. This will be like this, like this. It's not exact, but you can understand. Okay, like this. This will be like this. Something like this. Okay, this like this. And if better if we will check the correct one, that is this option A. Okay, you can check. If I will unfold it, this figure, first I will get this much part, this top part. I will get this much part first, this half part. Okay, then unfolding to here, I will get this much half part. Okay, this much half part, and the correct option will be option A. Okay, now moving further.